Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a classic craft project, the Magic Flip Wallet. This is a fun and easy craft you can make with just a few simple materials. And it's sure to impress your friends and family. Let's get started. First, you'll need some basic supplies. You'll need a piece of cardboard, ideally a sturdy type like from a cereal box. You'll also need some ribbons. 2 ribbons of different colors or designs work best for visual contrast, and a pair of scissors to cut your materials. A ruler and a pencil will also be very helpful for measuring and marking. Finally, you'll need some glue or tape to hold everything together. I recommend using a strong glue for this. Okay, let's begin. First, cut your cardboard into a rectangular shape. The size depends on how big you want your wallet to be, but a good starting point is about 8 inches long and 4 inches wide. You can adjust this later. This will be the main body of your wallet. Next, we need to create the flaps. On one long side of your rectangle, measure in about 1 inch from each corner, and mark these points with your pencil. Then, draw a line connecting these 2 points. This line will serve as a guide for folding. Repeat this on the opposite long side. Now, cut 2 pieces of ribbon. They should be long enough to stretch across the width of the cardboard, with a little extra length for tying. The exact length will depend on the width of your cardboard, but start with pieces about 6 inches long. Now, for the magic, place the first piece of ribbon on the front side of the cardboard, running horizontally across the middle. Secure the ends to the cardboard with glue or tape. Make sure the ribbon is taut, but not too tight. Flip the cardboard over. Place the second ribbon on the back side of the cardboard, also running horizontally across the middle. Make sure it's in a slightly different position than the first ribbon, so the money can flip from one side to the other. Secure the ends of this ribbon as well. Now, fold along the lines you drew earlier, creating the flaps. Fold the flaps towards the center. You should now have a wallet shape, with the ribbons on the inside. To make the magic work, place a banknote inside the wallet, between the cardboard and one of the ribbons. Now, quickly flip the wallet over. The banknote will magically appear to have moved to the other side, held by the other ribbon, or it will appear trapped behind the ribbons, depending on how you arrange the ribbons when gluing them to the cardboard. It's a fun illusion. You can decorate your magic wallet however you like. Use markers, paint, or stickers to personalize it. You can even experiment with different ribbon patterns or different size wallets. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, your very own Magic Flip wallet. It's a great little project for kids, and it's a fun way to amaze your friends. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fun crafts. See you in the next video.